The question was, the central question that was immediately raised by those calculations is this: what happened to all the stuff that fell in? The way I've described it, the way Einstein's theory describes it, is somehow that stuff goes to the singularity, whatever that thing is, the end of time, a region of space-time that's so convoluted and distorted that we don't understand how to describe it at all. But then, one day, the whole thing is gone. All that's left in the far, far future is Hawking radiation, those particles that were produced in the vicinity of the event horizon. The question is it possible, if you could collect all that radiation, all the Hawking radiation through the whole life of the black hole, is it somehow possible, in principle, that the information about everything that fell into the black hole throughout its history is imprinted in that radiation in the far future? Is that true, or is it not true? You might say, why did I ask that question? Seems like a bit of a random question. It's a very important question. Let's say that I take anything in here, in this room, a book, a table, the camera, right? Anything at all. And I set fire to it. I incinerate it. I destroy it in any way that I can. I could throw it into a furnace. I could put it in the heart of a nuclear bomb and explode it, right? Whatever, just completely incinerate it. In physics, in basic fundamental physics, then it turns out that if you could collect every piece of that thing that I detonated or incinerated, every quantum of radiation, every photon, every particle, everything, in principle, if I could just collect it all, and I was clever enough, then I could reconstruct the thing that I had destroyed. Information is conserved in the universe as far as we know. So every law of nature that we have says that information is conserved. The problem was that Stephen Hawking's initial calculation of the way those black holes evaporate away said that information is not conserved. Said that black holes are erasers of information. To put it very bluntly, the calculation said that once that black hole had gone, then even in principle, there is absolutely no way you could learn anything, reconstruct anything about the things that fell in, including the star that collapsed to form it. So information erasers, the only information erasers that we know of in nature. That was the initial picture of black holes as Stephen Hawking understood them.